Hello everyone, welcome back to my basic mathematics video series. So in the previous videos, I have taught about number one, intro to quadratic equation. We have talked much about quadratic equation, and number two, how to solve it, how to solve, how to solve quadratic equation. So there is actually three methods. In the previous video, I have taught only one method, that is splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. Okay, you can watch that video if you have not done. So now we can talk about the second method, that is completing completing sorry completing the square method. Okay, completing the square method. So this is the second method we can use to solve quadratic equation. So we're gonna take an example. Suppose for quadratic equation we have ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is the form of quadratic equation I have taught in the previous video. You can go and watch it. So in completing the square method, there are a series of steps. Okay, first step 1, I'm trying to teach you how to solve quadratic equation by completing a square method. Okay, so first step is make x square coefficient free. Okay, so make x square coefficient free. So those who don't know about coefficient, what is coefficient? It's actually a number just before a variable. So that this is variable, this is variable. So here b is coefficient of x and a is coefficient of x square. So to make x square coefficient free, we have to remove x from here. Oh, sorry, remove a from here. So how are we gonna do here is x square plus b by a square x plus a by c by a equals to 0. So now this x square is coefficient free. Okay. So second method is we just have to, this is x. Second method is second step is deduce the above equation, in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, what's the formula of a plus b whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so try to deduce this equation in the form of this equation. Okay, we're gonna solve them. So x square plus b by a x plus c by a equals to 0. Okay, so how we gonna do this is just complete this and this. Okay, so here is x square, again here is x a square. Okay, so now we have x, that is a, this x a is acting like here a. Okay, this a, so here is a and we have got b by a. Okay, so what we need in middle term, this in the middle we need 2, because here it is 2. So make like this, x square plus 2 a, and b by a is already here. Okay, so we have added 2 here and we have to divide 2 here also. Okay, then only we can make 2 that is cancel out, and that will be 1. Okay, so what we have 2x and b 2a. Okay, so here you can assume here 2ab. So here is 2, x is a, and what is b? B is b by 2a. So we need b square, b square also. So we will write b by 2a whole square and minus b by 2a, that is whole square. Why we have written here? Because these two things will cancel out. Okay, then only we can write, only we can write this one, because we have to cancel this with this also, then that it will become 0. So it's the same thing. Okay, and what we left with c by a equals 0. So now compare this, a square plus 2ab plus b square, like x square 2x b by 2a plus b square. So we can write this equation, hold this whole here up to here we can write x by b by 2a whole square. Okay, so what's remaining here is minus b by 2 whole square plus c by a. Just put this into here. Okay, so what we will get, we will get b by b square by 4a square minus c by a. Okay, so how are we gonna solve this equation? We want this like take the LCM. LCM will be 4a square and b square minus a. We get 4a into c. We will get here c, and what it is here, b by 2a. Okay, b by 2a whole square. So we have to find the value of x, because all the thing that we have to do is finding the value of x. So here x by b by 2a equals to the root, the 2 square will go here and it will convert it into a root. Okay, so b square minus 4ac by 4a square, and we will get plus minus. Okay, it's a rule. So again x equals to this term, take here, minus b by 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, because 2 and a square become 4a square will come up from the root and become 2a, so we can take again LCM 2a, and minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac and x. So this is actually a value. Okay, the value of x. So now we have reduced this formula by using completing square method. So as I told you, in quadratic equation we will get the value of x. How many value of x? 2 value of x. So if you compare this above equation, the first value will be minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the first value, and minus b minus under root 4a, sorry, b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is second value. Okay, so again we have to know this one thing is quadratic equation. While solving quadratic equation, the value of x we will get two values. Okay, 1 and 2, because it depends on degree, how many degree, and we know that degree of quadratic equation is 2. Okay, so in this way you can solve the quadratic equation by using completing square method. I have not done any equation, but I have done directly using that standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So now you have you can solve many questions like x square plus 5x minus 6 equals 0. You try to do yourself. Okay, so similar method, make x coefficient free and try to reduce in the form of a plus b whole square, and again you will just simply you have to do basic calculation, then you will get the value of x, two value of x actually. Okay, and another thing is this actually what we get here formula is actually a direct method. You can apply you can insert you can insert the right value of a, b and c here, and you can get the value of x also. So it's actually a third method I was about to tell you in the later video, but okay fine, I will make another video also. So for now use second method, completing the square method, that is number 1, first make x square coefficient free, and number 2, reduce the equation in a plus b whole square form, and remaining is just a basic calculation you can do yourself. Okay, you can just follow this step and try this solution yourself. Okay, thank you very much. Later we will continue with this video topic. Sorry.